Namaste students. Today I would like to start our class with this motivational quote. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. By Swami Vivekananda. Yesterday we started our class with first chapter, set language. In that we saw about definition of a set and then forms of how to represent a set. What is the definition? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Then the three forms. First one is descriptive form. In that a set is described with words. Second one is set builder form. In that all the elements are described by a rule. Third one, roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. So this is the roster form. Next we are moving to example 1.2. Look at this. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. You know what is roster form? Roster form listing all the elements of the set. So it is very easy. So assessment. First word is assessment. In this word they given, look at the spelling, A-S-S-E-S-S-M-E-N-T. S coming 4 times, E coming 2 times. So yesterday itself I told elements of set are listed only once. No need to mention again and again because S is the element of the word assessment. So let us see the answer. X is equal to A S E M N T. So yes coming 4 times, no need to mention 4 times. Only once is enough because S is the element of the word assessment. Next one, principal. In this also P coming 2 times, I coming 2 times. No need to mention 2 times. Only 1 time is enough. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. That's all. Next we are moving to exercise. Which of the following are sets? The collection of prime numbers up to 100. You know what is prime numbers? A number that is divisible by itself and 1. That numbers known as prime numbers. I have given the picture of prime numbers from 1 to 100. Look at this. In the blue boxes, prime numbers are there. We can write the set like this. P is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 goes on up to 97. So now you came to know this answer. Yes, a collection of prime numbers up to 100 set. Next one, the collection of rich people in India. Yesterday itself I told. So this answer may vary from person to person. We can't say this is a well-defined set. So yes, not a set. The collection of all rivers in India. I am giving few rivers name in this box. Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Saraswati. It goes on. So R is equal to Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada and goes on. So we can define this rivers. This answer may not vary from person to person. It is well defined. Yes, set. The collection of good hockey players. Yeah, not a set. good hockey players? That answer may vary from person to person. This problem same like example 1.2. List the set of letters of the following words in rooster form. Rooster form is nothing but listing all the elements of the set. Yes, India, I-N-D-I-A. I letter comes 2 times. So, I have mentioned only 1 time. I-N-D-A. I think this is easy for you. Next one, parallelogram. P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L-O-G-R-A-M. So here A coming 3 times, L coming 3 times, and R comes 2 times. So P-A-R-L-E-O-G-M. So if one letter coming 2-3 times means no need to mention the 2 times or 3 times. Mention only 1 time. Yes, A is the element of the word parallelogram. L is the element of the word parallelogram. That's all. Next one. Consider the following sets A. The set A 0, 3, 5, 8. 0, 3, 5, 8 are the elements of set A. Next one B. 2, 4, 6, 10. These are the elements of set B. C. 12, 14, 18, 20. These are the elements of set C. Let us check. State whether true or false. First one 18 belongs to C. Second one 6 belongs to A. Third one 14 does not belongs to C. Fourth one 10 belongs to B. 5 belongs to B. 0 belongs to B. Let us check. What is the first one? 18 belongs to C. So we have to look at the set C. Check the elements 12, 14, 18, 20. 18 is there, huh? Yes, 18 is there. So it is true. Second subdivision. 6 does not belongs to A. Check at the set A. There is no 6. So 6 does not belongs to A. This statement is true. Third one 14 does not belongs to C. We have to check the set C. 14 is there. So the given statement is 14 does not belongs to C. So this is false. 10 belongs to B. Check it B. 2, 4, 6, 10. So 10 is there. 10 belongs to B only, they said. Okay, this is true. 5 belongs to B. Check it B. 5 does not belongs to B. So this statement is false. 0 belongs to B. So in B there is no 0. So it is false. Here I have given worksheet. We know that 3 forms of set. In the first question, write the following sets in respective forms. So they given only one type. You have to write the other 2 type. You finish this. Next one, consider the following set A, B, C. So in that you have to fill the correct letter or symbol. Third one, list a set of letters of the following words in rooster form. Yes, we saw one example problem and one exercise problem. So this may be easy for you. Please try to complete today's self. Have given you the notes for the classwork. Please complete everyday work on time. I am planning to complete small portions only. Please understand the concept thoroughly. Try the worksheet. We'll see the other exercise problems tomorrow. Thank you, students.